Go find the eggs. Where are the others? Caitlin, where? Where is it? Maybe it's behind you. Can't see it? I can see it from here. Where are the others? Where's the last one? Caitlin, where's the last one? Caitlin, where's the last one? Ayun, you found it! High five!
Find eggs at
Kitkit!
Hi.
Wow, you have so many surprise eggs. Oh, let's open it one by one. Wow, what's that? What color is that egg? What color is that egg?
Orange.
Orange. And what's inside it?
Red.
Oh, it's a Minnie Mouse.
Red.
It's like a case. Oh, there's candy inside. Wow. Open the next surprise egg. What color is that?
Blue.
Blue. And what's inside?
White.
Who's this?
Masha.
Wow, it's Marsha. It's Paw Patrol Marsha to the rescue. Woof woof. What's that?
Purple.
Purple egg. And who's inside?
This other
Oh, it's Sophia the first.
Amber.
It's like Amber's gown, but it's Sophia the first. Look. It's Sophia the first. What color is that?
Blue.
Blue. And what's inside the surprise egg? And it's Amber from Sophia the first. Princess Amber.
It's red.
And she's wearing a red gown. What color is that?
Purple.
Purple. What's inside it?
Pink.
Wow, what's that?
Green.
Who's this? What's this? This is a cow. Moo. 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 Blue egg. Wow, what's inside? A cute bag. Wow, you have a cute bag. Kitkit. Open another egg. Oh, what color is that?
Pink.
Pink. And what's inside the pink egg?
Puppy.
It's Puppy.
What happened to her?
Wow, it's Puppy from Trolls.
It's branch.
Wow, what's that? It's a race car.
Look.
What color is that egg?
Green.
Green. And who's inside it? Oh, it's Branch from Trolls. And last one, surprise egg. Wow, it's Sushi Ship from Peppa Pig.
Peppa Pig.
Peppa Pig. That's all, Kitkit. You open all your surprise eggs.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Thank you for watching.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Please don't forget to subscribe to Kitkit Surprises.
Bye.
Thank you for watching.